How hard is it to switch car batteries? Switching a car battery is a task that many car owners will face at some point. While it might seem intimidating, it can be a straightforward process if you are prepared and follow the right steps. This article will break down the process, the tools required, and some tips to make the switch as smooth as possible. Understanding the basics. Before diving into the specifics, it's important to understand why you might need to switch your car battery. Common signs that your battery needs replacing include difficulty starting the engine, dim headlights and electrical issues, a battery warning light on your dashboard, corrosion around the battery terminals, a battery older than 3 to 5 years. Tools you'll need. To switch a car battery, you will need the following tools: a new battery compatible with your car model, a wrench or socket set typically 10 mm, a battery terminal cleaner or wire brush, gloves and safety goggles, a memory saver optional but recommended. Step-by-step guide to switching car batteries. 1. Safety first. Before starting, ensure your car is parked on a level surface, the engine is turned off, and the keys are removed from the ignition. Put on your gloves and safety goggles to protect yourself from any acid or debris. 2. Locate the battery. Open the hood of your car and locate the battery. In most vehicles, it will be near the front, either on the left or right side. Some cars may have the battery in the trunk or under a seat. 3. Disconnect the negative terminal. Using your wrench or socket set, loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal. This is typically the black cable. Once loose, remove the cable and set it aside, ensuring it doesn't touch any metal parts. 4. Disconnect the positive terminal. Next, loosen the nut on the positive plus terminal, usually the red cable. Remove this cable and set it aside. 5. Remove the battery hold-down clamp. Most batteries are secured with a hold-down clamp. Locate and remove this clamp using your wrench or socket set. 6. Remove the old battery. Carefully lift the old battery out of the battery tray. Car batteries can be heavy, so use proper lifting techniques to avoid injury. 7. Clean the battery tray and terminals. Before installing the new battery, clean the battery tray and terminals with a battery terminal cleaner or wire brush. This will help ensure a good connection and prevent future corrosion. 8. Install the new battery. Place the new battery into the tray, ensuring the terminals are positioned correctly, positive to positive, negative to negative. 9. Secure the battery. Reattach the hold-down clamp to secure the battery in place. 10. Connect the positive terminal. Attach the positive plus cable to the positive terminal of the new battery and tighten the nut. 11. Connect the negative terminal. Attach the negative cable to the negative terminal and tighten the nut. 12. Test the new battery. Start your car to ensure the new battery is functioning correctly. Check that all electrical components are working properly. Tips and warnings. Dispose of the old battery properly. Car batteries contain hazardous materials and should be recycled at a proper facility. Use a memory saver. If your car has complex electronics, using a memory saver can help retain settings and prevent issues. Follow manufacturer instructions. Always refer to your car's manual for specific instructions related to your vehicle model. Conclusion. Switching a car battery is not overly difficult if you have the right tools and follow the proper steps. It can be a rewarding DIY task that saves you money and ensures your vehicle runs smoothly. Always prioritize safety and consult your vehicle's manual for specific guidelines.